morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am filming for you guys a vlog today, and it is a productive day in my life. And I just wanted to start out my morning by editing a video that I wanted to get up today. And of course I procrastinated on editing it and filming and stuff, only to realize that I did not have my microphone set up correctly when I filmed it. So both of the videos that I filmed last night do not have audio. I guess we're going to start off the day by getting ready and trying to refilm those videos because I really wanted to get them up and I was feeling really good about them and I really liked them. It just makes me so mad because I spent so much effort last night like filming them really good. Like I set up my lighting in a new way that I really loved. I was really excited to edit them. It's alright though. I'm not going to let it stop the productivity. Alright guys, so I just finished doing my hair. I still have some like mascara on. I just put some hoops on. So guys, I was looking for a really cute necklace that I wanted to wear for this video that I'm going to film, and then I remembered I got my Fab Fit Fun box in the mail the other day. They were so sweet and so kind and sent me a box, so thank you Fab Fit Fun. I am really excited to share with you guys because this box is insane, you guys. Literally for the price, you get so many full-size products, so many fun different things to try out, so many cute little beauty items, so many cute accessories. Like when I got my box, I was kind of like, holy cow, this is insane. So I wanted to show you guys the necklace that I'm going to wear, and then also just go through the box and show you guys what's in it because there's a ton of cute stuff. Starting off, let's just talk for a second about how cute the outside of this box is. I am obsessed with this pattern. I think it's so cute and summery. And then on the inside, it's like all pink. You have your little Fab Fit Fun magazine. Then, guys, it came with an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. Like, what? That's insane. I love HelloFresh. Clay and I've used it before, so I'm really excited to try this out again and order something. I think this will be really good for whenever we first move into our new place. So I am really hype about that. Look at this. Obviously it's not as packed as pretty as when it first came, but there's so much stuff in here, you guys. Like, this is insane. First off, we have some exfoliating foot masks, which I'm actually really hype about this. This is from Wish Beauty. Next thing is Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. So hype about this. Let me open this for you guys. I feel like this will be super good for summer too, because then when your lips get dry and cracked just from the sun and like dryness. This little guy, so excited, you guys. I already actually used this yesterday on my hair and it works amazing. It's the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. It's supposed to help with frizz. This was so nice. I used this when I was like scrunching my hair. Really helped a ton to keep it nice and frizz free, and it smells so good, you guys. Now this is the little necklace I wanted to wear for my video. Oh, guys, look how cute this is. I'm literally obsessed with this. I saw this on someone else's like Instagram that they got this, and I was like, oh, I want that so bad. So I'm gonna wear this in my video. So I'm gonna leave that out. Came with a nice little baggie too, which is super helpful. Moving on, we've got a huge bottle of Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rosé Spray. It's just hydrating rose facial mist. Guys, I cannot wait to use this. I think this is going to be perfect to just throw in your pool bag whenever you're heading out, or even in your beach bag just to stay cool and refreshed throughout the day. Then we got some oh gosh, I can't pronounce that. Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I'm excited about this. This literally smells so good. Next is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. You guys, I've seen this in Sephora so many times and I've always wanted to try it. This is supposed to really smooth out like bumps and dimples and things like that on your legs and imperfections. Really makes them look good. Perfect for summertime, perfect for going to the pool and the beach, like perfect for when you're wearing those little short shorts. I'm hyped about this because this is like a really big size, and this thing is like pretty expensive from what I remember. And then we got a new mask, thank God, because I actually had to throw some out that I had because they were expired. And this is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ultraviolet. I hope that means it's purple. I'm really excited to try this. Again, I'm probably gonna use this on like my little self-care day with like these and have my little spray out and probably with one of these. Just kidding, I probably wouldn't do a mask and a clay mask, but this is the 111 Skin by Harlow St. London. These are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And this feels like there's a ton in here. I don't see where it says how many, but it feels like there are a ton in here. This is a really big box, so I'm really hyped to try this out as well. It just looks so nice. Perfect for just a little self-care day. Last but not least, we have the Invisibobble Traceless Hair Ring. So I think these are the hair ties that are supposed to not leave your hair crimped or like with a little dent in them if you put them up, and I've been wanting to try this out so badly and just have not picked up any, so I'm really excited to try this. So we got clear and a nice nude color, and then it also came with this really cute little card too, which you could definitely use to like decorate in your planner or something fun. So literally all of this stuff in this box, you guys, like that is insane. So I'm going to leave a code down below for you guys in the description box, and right here on the screen, it's just my last name, THURMOND. You can use it and actually get $10 off of your Fab Fit Fun box. So if you guys want one, they are totally worth it. I cannot stress that enough. Like if you get one, I promise you will love it. It's going to be such a fun way for you to try out new products, really get to see new brands, and they do it to help promote a lot of like female run businesses as well, so that's definitely a plus. We love that. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll link all that stuff down below for you guys so you can go and check it out along with the code, so you guys can get $10 off as well, because we love a good discount. And now I'm going to put on the necklace and go set up my lighting for my video and then get to filming, because I really need to edit and get stuff done. So I wanted to give you guys a little rundown of kind of how I'm filming my videos for right now. So I've got my camera set up here, and I will link all my camera gear down below for you guys, all my filming stuff for videos if you want to go and check it out. But I will put my camera here, and then I am sitting in this little spot kind of under these paintings. And then of course, I've got my little lapel mic so I can have my good audio. I've got my notebook with all of my little content ideas and points I need to talk about. My smoothie, of course. And then here is my first light that I'm using. I actually shut these so I can control the lighting a little bit better. And so I'm trying out a new lighting method. I want you guys to comment down below if you watched my last video. Let me know how you like the lighting. But I have this softbox from Amazon over here. And then don't mind our messy apartment because we're packing, of course. But then I've got my ring light over here on this side, so it's just lighting up a little bit, but not too much. So now that I'm done recording both of those, time to go back and edit. So I'm currently editing a video, but I wanted to put my hair up, so I used one of these little hair ties, and guys, put it in a little bun. Can you see that? You see it up here? This little hair tie like works really freaking good. I wrapped it around twice on my bun, and it feels so good. Like it's not pulling my hair, it's not tugging, and it also is like holding it in really well. So alright guys, I just finished editing up my video. I am uploading that onto YouTube now, and I need to also do the thumbnail for this video, so I'm going to work on that next. After I do that, I need to do all the title, tags, and descriptions for the video, all that good stuff. And then once all that's scheduled and done, I'm going to work on our apartment, because it's just a mess right now, because we're like in the midst of packing and just life, so things have been a little crazy. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's the next day, it's now Monday, and I'm picking up the vlog here because yesterday ended up feeling not so hot, and I spent the day just not feeling that good, and then the evening was worse, and so I just tried to chill and relax a little bit. But I'm feeling a lot better today, so I thought I would pick up the vlog here and continue our productive little routine. As you guys can see, our apartment has become a disaster because we started the packing process. So there are things just in areas that they're not supposed to be in. Pretty much this stuff is all, we're probably gonna use a bunch of these boxes and stuff, but a lot of this other junk can be thrown away. This we need to keep to pack my computer in when we move. And then over here, we've got a huge pile of a bunch of boxes to use. We went ahead and took some stuff down from there. They're all over here on the floor, all the little bins. Got a couple of things packed up over there. Just some like random objects just laying around. My goal tonight is to get some packing done. Stay on the productive train. I am making some dinner while Clay is out walking Charlie. I've got some cream spinach here in the microwave. And then Clay made some chicken the other night. Just kind of like meal prepped it. So I'm gonna heat that up, and then I'm making some rice over here. So we got dinner rolling. I'd say that's pretty productive. And it sounds like, gotta fold this, but it sounds like Clay just tossed in a load of laundry, so that's also a big plus. And our creamed spinach is all done. Yay. And now it's time to heat this bad boy up. Dinner time. Got Clay over here packing up some glasses. We have an absurd amount of wine glasses and beer glasses. So yeah, I think we'll be okay without those for a week and a half. We have plenty of options in there. I think now that I packed up a few boxes, pretty much did all of my like desk and crafty sort of stuff, I'm going to actually try and clean up a little bit because it's a mess. So I've got this really big stack of laundry back here that I'm about to fold. It'll be good, put it away. And we'll find it on the shelf for that Successfully folded all of the laundry. Now it's time to put it all away. I am hoping that after you guys have finished watching this vlog, you will go and do something productive in your life. That's why I like to make these productive vlogs. I feel like they're inspiring to watch, and I watch them when I need a little inspiration and motivation. So I hope it's the same for you guys. So I want you guys to comment down below in the comment section, of course, one thing that you're gonna go and get done, whatever it is. If it's small, if it's big, whatever. I want to know where you guys are gonna go and finally get done and stop procrastinating on. Let me know down below. I will be linking my last productive day in the life vlog down below for you guys if you want to go and check it out. Also, I have it up here in the corner of the screen for you and at the end of the video, so you guys can go and watch it, because everybody needs a little more inspiration, right? Without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys. Charlie says bye too, don't you, buddy? He's tired.